yummy. As you already know, even though I looked at the menu all the time, I ordered my favorite dal bhat. But today I'm having dry sikati and gravy sikati and Nepali platter, dal bhat tarkari. Do you know that is dal bhat power 24 hour? So let's start and let's dig in. I'm gonna try the food now. There is some butter in the rice, which will give it very good taste. So when I have my food, I put everything aside and then start little by little. Right now I'm using the dal. Dal looks like it has been prepared very well. It's a little thin. Must have been, I don't know, we could have done better, but let's try.